bottle going down.
Wait.
Bye-bye.
I did stumble.
There's the bottle. And then close. Bye-bye.
Crap, this was frozen yesterday.
This was frozen yesterday. All that rain we had overnight within the last couple of days. Dang. Look at all that nasty garbage. Ew, why am I showing you that? But this will be the opening part of my video that I do today. I'm going to do some bus videos.
Wet house.
Yeah, and look at that.
Holy
Look at that. That is terrible. Oh. Took a picture of it. Took a picture of that side. But that's off now. I'm going to add this to my video. No video.
First floor.
Fourth floor. There's Potawatomi. Bye, Pato. See you. Who knows when?
Yeah, see you whenever that is.
Whenever we can. Get over here, you can see it better.
See this way right here.
But here's 16th Street coming up.
That's the bridge we do.
That's the bridge, yep. It's the bridge where I do my video. Unfortunately, every time I do.
Right.
But oh well. Open up, elevator. They ain't open. It actually listen to me.
I know.
But here's the garage. I'm not doing the whole garage, but this is the garage. But for now, I'm pausing, and I'll head back to you in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I didn't want to tip the garage. But it's actually not foggy. Holy Toledo. There. Now you can see downtown. There's that. Get your face on my way. You can see everything now. I think it just needed that little bit of rain. And then during the day.
Yeah,
Pause. Bus action!
Bus, yeah, again.
Woohoo! Both ways. Both ways. Oh snap!
Oh yay, wait, right here.
No, let's do this one first. And then,
That one's coming.
never mind. The other one going northbound is coming faster. The 17. We'll be able to show you where that turns. Because this bus, move bus! That one turns where the light's at. I'm telling them that's what, you see where the bus turns, that's where it turns. And here comes the 14. The 14 should be coming up. Let's move away. There's nobody here. I don't think there's anybody hitting off, but who knows. See? That's where the 17 turns. Oh yeah, there's people hitting off. Yay! I know. Oh well. It's a little nippy out here, but it's not very bad. It's like a mild spring day. And here goes the bus. I'm gonna walk, hit it that way. That way, see my pictures are going up. I'm still recording it. Sheesh! Slow down! But like I said, we had some bus action. We have one on the way here, two on the way here. I know. One on the way here and then two going home. We might get more before we get to National. Might not. I don't know. We'll find out. I know. I seen nice on there. I'm like, is that a bus? I'm like, oh, it's a bus.
I know.
That's why I said bus action. But it isn't actually. It turned out to be really nice now. Earlier it was a little cold, but oh, excuse me, that's because it was raining and yucky and foggy.
Yeah. Oh, when we did the video coming.
Yeah.
And when we did the video stuck in the light.
Oh, jeez, that too. Seriously. I don't want to fall and bust my leg in.
Me neither.
But there's the Potawatomi garage.
There's a garage you see right here.
Downtown, the 6th Street Bridge. The home bridge is up, down further. You can't see it, but it's there.
Foggy. Yeah, it's there.
It's still foggy, but it's not that bad. But we're passing Paddle. Bye, Paddle. See you next time.
Right. Thanks for the fun, Paddle.
Oh,
the train's moving.
That's what I was just going to say. We got some train action going here, buddy.
Right. Oh,
Channel 12, what the heck?
what the heck, Channel 12?
Something happened down here. Uh-oh.
Oh, he stopped.
Really? Man! I wonder if he derailed. No, I didn't hear it.
I couldn't hear you.
Oh.
That was funny. We seen that Dr. Louis.
I know, I I just in channel 2. I did. I'm on channel 12, really?
Like, really?
Something was happening on the south side.
Yeah, because they were going pretty fast.
Yeah. With this,
Actually, it was moving for a moment.
it was for a moment, yes. I think I got a little bit of a reaction on the phone, but
I did.
a little bit. I'm like, what?
Oh, they're saying that was platform here moved.
Yeah. Sometimes what it is they'll wait until it stops raining.
Yeah, no.
But there's people behind us. Somebody behind us is not rushing us. There's somebody coming up this way. But I'm going to be stopping it when I hit the Pierce.
Yeah, that's what
That's what I always do.
It's nice out.
I know it turned out to be nice, even though it's still a little foggy, but not too bad.
It did turn out nice.
I just said that.
Oh, yeah.
Tim is there. He's probably watching the TV. Oh well. We had the laptops. Maybe. I don't want to show nobody's face because they might. I don't want to show nobody's face because I might think that's disrespectful. But here's the nasty scrapyard again. Yeah.
The scrapyard right here.
Yeah, I just said that.
Oh, yeah.
Why does it feel like it's warm out here?
I know, it does feel like it's warm out here.
I have a sweater and a jacket on. I didn't know.
I'm sweating bullets.
Yeah.
What the heck? No, I am sweating bullets.
I know. Tomorrow I might just wear a t-shirt and a jacket. Maybe, I don't know.
So what?
I might just wear the t-shirt. That scared me.
What's that?
I don't know, but whatever it was, I did too. I went like this. Oh, sheesh.
I jumped.
I don't know. Something over there.
Something fell.
No, they picked something up or they dropped something. I don't know.
Let me see if they want to pass by.
You're welcome. Sorry. Sometimes some people want to pass by. I know. I wonder where it came from. Oh, it's probably him. It was probably him making noise.
We got nice action now, right?
I know, right?
Even the local news here, Channel 12.
I know, I wonder what happened.
Right?
Oh well.
We'll find out sooner or later.
Yeah, but here we go, back to the street. We're almost at the stop. We're almost at the point where we stop.
I'll stop the street on here. Yeah, not the street. I'll stop the video.
Dude, you know what we should do if we go for a ride? Do a recording.
I know.
Because you know, Jamie, she might not want to sit in the house.
I did it with Jamie. She did something.
I know. I won't talk. I bet this is lip rider and, you know.
Yeah. Oh shit, I thought that was a fire.
What?
There.
No, that's part of the chimney.
I know, that's the machinery stuff.
Oh, the machinery, yeah. That too. Whatever. There's a little street that goes towards, Pierce.
A little street there, yeah.
That goes up to Pierce. But, oh well. Oh gosh. But we're almost at the point where we had to stop. So.
Yeah, we almost have to stop and point.
Sometimes we might go farther, but I don't want to because 16th Street from National to Clearfield is, nah. It's like, bleh.
It's not a good place to be.
No.
I'll
Especially.
do it on the bus.
Yeah. On the bus is one thing, but.
Why not as a pedestrian? No thank you.
Yeah.
Because we might lose our recording device.
Oh no, me either. I get these stolen, I'll be pissed.
Yeah.
You'll be mad. Ah! Hot banana.
Living in the Twinkie.
Oh, that's what I meant, Twinkie. Sorry, that's what I meant, a Twinkie.
And then you got idiots that fly by like that.
Trying to show off.
Show off.
Shut up, boy. Nobody asked you.
Yeah.
People either going to work or going home from work or going to Powder or whatever.
Or close to the north side.
I said that either going home
Yeah.
and the north side or going to Powder. Or some people will be coming this way to come home. But that too. Yeah, well damn, I didn't catch it. Yes, I did. Got it.
Yeah, another bus. See, you're going across the bridge.
Move!
Oops, sorry.
I see it.
I caught that sucker.
Good. What? Hey! For now, that was all about cats and a lot of other stuff. But here we go. Oh, it smells like, look. Here's Pierce. This is where we start. But for now, I'm going to be closing out. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love y'all. Bye. This is where we have to go. And then, yeah, we're going to see about this little river that we had before, when we first started. What?
This is where we started today.
That's what I said. This is where we started our day. Now we're ending our day here. And it's still high. And still moving fast. Holy Toledo, man.
Holy crap.
Look at that.
Is it higher than it was before?
It went down just a little.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, it went down. It went down compared to what it was earlier this morning.
You see the way it was earlier.
Earlier this morning it was bad. But here we are, we're going to where we're staying. This is South 13th Street, coming up on Cleveland. But please like my videos, comment, and give me a thumbs up. Love y'all.